Hello bright champs. Welcome to the Kiddies World. आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक exciting grammar topic जो करेगा आपकी English को super strong. So get ready to explore nouns, singular and plural noun. Let's jump into our lesson. Let's talk about one and many. When we talk about just one thing, it's called a singular noun. And when we talk about more than one, it's called a plural noun. We'll learn 4 rules to make plurals of word. Rule number 1. We normally add s after the singular noun to form the plural. Book becomes books. Month becomes months. We just add s at the end. But wait, we have one special rule. Rule number 2. Some words need es to become plural. Words ending with ch, sh, s, double s, x, or z, they follow this cool rule. Watch becomes watches. Bus becomes buses. Let's look at some more words. Row 1. Class is a singular noun. It means one class. When we have many classes, we say classes. That's the plural form. Row 2. Brush is one brush. Brushes means more than one brush. We add es at the end because it ends in sh. Row 3. Cliff is a high, steep rock. If we see many of them, we say cliffs. Just add s. Row 4. Bush is one small plant. Bushes means many. Again, add es because it ends with sh. Row 5. One table is singular. More than one? Tables. Just add s. Row 6. A pen is what we write with. If you have more than one, they are called pens. When we make plurals of some words, there are unique ways in which the spelling of the words changes. For that, we have rule number 3 and rule number 4. Let's see them one by one. Rule number 3. To form the plural of singular nouns ending in y, we remove y and add ies in the end. For example, story becomes stories. Study becomes studies. Copy becomes copies. Rule number 4. To form the plural of singular nouns ending in f or fe, we add ves in the end. For example, leaf becomes leaves. Thief becomes thieves. Wolf becomes wolves. Activity time. Let's do this activity together. Let's make plurals of the following singular nouns. Word 1. Cliff becomes cliffs. The word cliff ends with a simple consonant, so we just add s at the end. One cliff, many cliffs. Word 2. Church becomes churches. The word church ends in ch, so we add es to make it plural. One church, many churches. Word 3. Leaf becomes leaves. Now this is a little tricky. Leaf ends in f, and we change the f to v and then add es. So leaf becomes leaves. Word 4. Lady becomes ladies. This word ends in y after a consonant. D. So we remove the y and add ies. One lady, many ladies. Word 5. Knife becomes knives. Knife ends in fe. To make it plural, we change FE to VES. One knife, many knives. Word 6. Baby becomes babies. Just like lady, baby ends in Y after a consonant. So, we drop the Y and add IES. Awesome work, Class 3 champs. आज का लेसन था full of learning और थोड़ी सी मस्ती भी. लाइक जरूर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में मिलता है फन लर्निंग का मैजिक. चलो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए सुपर टॉपिक के साथ. बाय बाय बच्चों, पढ़ते रहो, हंसते रहो.